Turn, turn. There you go. Keep it straight now. Straight. There you go. Straight is in the middle. Now turn it. Oh. Was that cool?
Dad?
You're dead?
My dad? I got him alive. That's scary.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Try it again. But try to go faster this time. Remember.
So do I go to there?
Keep this. Look. Move it slowly. That's straight. When they're both in the middle, it's straight.